How to remove background in Photoshop. Using different tools. Photoshop offers several tools to remove background from an image. You can use whichever you think suits best to your image. Here, we'll talk about 4 methods to remove background from your image. 1. Quick selection. 2. Magic wand. 3. Background eraser. 4. Select subject. Method 1. How to remove background using the quick selection tool. Step 1. Go to File and click on Open to open the file you want to work on. Step 2. Duplicate layer. Right-click on the background layer and select Duplicate Layer, or press Ctrl+J on the keyboard. This is for safety. Hide the background layer by clicking on the eye icon beside the layer. Step 3. Take the tool from the toolbar menu, select Quick Selection Tool. It's at the upper portion of the toolbar. Select Subject. Now, click on Select Subject from the top menu. This tool will automatically identify and select the subject by using artificial intelligence. Step 5. Add layer mask. When you're satisfied with the selection, go to the Layer panel and click on Layer Mask to add the mask. After adding the layer mask, your background will be removed. Step 6. Go to File and click on Save as to save the image. Keep both JPEG and PSD files for future work. Method 2. How to remove background. Using the Magic Wand tool. Take the 2, adjust the options. Now, adjust the options so that you can get a better selection. You'll find these options on the top menu. 1. Tolerance. Tolerance level determines the range of color that this tool will select. 2. Contiguous. It is used to select pixels with pixels. 3. Anti-alias. The silicone will smooth the area and give it a natural look. 4. Sample all layers. If there are multiple layers in your image, marking this option will apply the changes on all the layers. Otherwise, the changes will be on the current layer only. Step 6. Select and mask. When your selection is done, go to the Select option. Under that, click on Select and Mask. Click on Invert to make your subject visible. Now, shift the sliders if you need to smooth the edge or make any other changes. From the Output option, select New Layer with Layer Mask and click on OK. Method 3. How to remove background. Using background eraser tools. Take the Eraser tool. Adjust the options. 1. Sampling options. It'll pick the sample every time you drag the brush. Once, it'll pick the color you click it first and will remove only that color. Background swatch, it will erase only the background color. You can give a sample of the color, and this will remove that particular color only. 2. Limits, contiguous, it'll only pick the pixels that are touching the pixel under the plus sign 3. Tolerance. This determines the sensitivity of the brush. If your subject and background are the same color, keep the tolerance level low. 4. Protect foreground color. Give Photoshop a sample of your foreground color, and it won't erase that color while brushing. Using this option will save your foreground color. Set the brush size. Then start brushing on the background of your image. Be careful not to brush on your subject. Go to File and click on Save as to save the file. Method 4. How to remove background using Select Subject. Take the tools. Take Quick Selection or Magic Wand tool from the toolbar. Both are under the same menu. Go to the Select menu from the top bar. Now click on Select Subject. When you're satisfied with the selection, go to the Layer panel and click on Layer Mask to add the mask. Click on Save as to save the file. Choose format according to your need. Offshore clipping removes image background as per your need. Happy editing.